Stephen, thank you for taking a moment out of the open area and the open space here at the Secure Logiq office opening in Dubai. I think many people that know you, they certainly know Axis Communications. You're one of the largest providers globally. Here we are in an office in Dubai with Secure Logiq. Can I ask you why you're here?
Yeah, sure. It's well, naturally, we've been working with Secure Logiq for a very long time now, a number of years. Got a great relationship with them based in the UK. And I think it's really important to build on that relationship and see how we can work collaboratively over here in the Middle East.
So from a product perspective, again, you know, Axis must see multiple approaches all of the time with, we've got this, we've got that. You know, Secure Logiq are offering you something that what fills a niche?
Yeah, so for us, I think for us to work with a company, it's really important that we trust them and their technology. And I think Secure Logiq have been one of the companies that have invested in Axis and demonstrating to us the integrations that we've got in place. But at the same time, it's not just about how they work with us and our technology. Equally important, it's about how they work with our partner network, so the Milestones and your Genetechs and those type of organisations. And it is really, it's business critical for us that they can demonstrate how they work with us and our partners to generate new business moving forward.
So seeing them take a physical anchor in the ground space in the Emirates,
yeah,
presumably that's another sort of reassurance level for you.
Well, absolutely it is. It's them demonstrating their commitment to this region. Naturally, when we work with people, we want them to be able to demonstrate how they will generate sales, but equally, how are they going to support their partner network? And if they haven't got feet on the ground, what is their commitment to support people in the future? So having something like this today, it demonstrates how important this marketplace is to them as an organisation.
Given Secure Logiq have a heavy footprint in other territories, but maybe not so much here, what would you say to SIs and integrators that may not have come across Secure Logiq as it could be an advantage for them to have a dialogue either through yourselves or directly with Secure Logiq?
I guess it's just reach out, speak to them, get a better understanding of what their unique selling point is. Storage, especially in the Middle East, is such a big factor when they're looking at a total cost of ownership. The resilience, the quality, all those important considerations. I would just encourage people just to reach out and find out more information. We've done it as a business when we're looking at sustainability, energy consumption, and it genuinely does. It does address a niche in the market, which I think is hugely important.
So Axis Communications are a Swedish business. We see almost the Nordic region leading the green campaign. What would you say to those integrators and SIs that you're working with, that perhaps haven't turned on to this need to monitor and put back? How important is that?
Absolutely. So one, as a sort of a corporate social responsibility point of view, massively important. It should be important to businesses and individuals, really, to form part of that decision-making process. Axis as a Swedish business, if we take a look at how the Swedish government operates and their own initiatives, sustainability is a number one driver. But when we also think, actually, the cost of energy today is greater than it ever has been. The cost associated with the operational aspects of these systems has never been so challenging for businesses. We've seen businesses close down because they physically cannot afford the energy costs associated with keeping their business systems operational. So it ticks lots of boxes: sustainability, corporate social responsibility, and it helps with the total cost of ownership of bringing a system's costs down, because the cost of an installation is one aspect, but the ongoing 7-10 years, the life expectancy of that system, it's only going to increase year on year.
Steve, thank you for taking time to explain just some of the highlights of the relationship you have with Secure Logiq and what that means to your wider network globally. We appreciate you talking to Security on Screen.
Thank you very much.